Why does Marcus Garvey hold such importance to people? Marcus Mosiah Garvey, Jamaica's first national hero, has been recognized as the first black man to awaken the dignity of the black race in Jamaica, North America, and Africa. What was Marcus Garvey's motivation? The desire to promote respect for the culture, talent, and humanity of oppressed black people, in Jamaica and around the world. That was what motivated Marcus Garvey to form his philosophy. What was Marcus Garvey's motto? On July 15, 1914, Garvey founded the UNIA, Universal Negro Improvement Association. Its motto was One God, One Name, One Destiny. Based on the Hampton-Tuskegee model, Garvey laid plans to set up industrial schools in Jamaica but received opposition. Who was Marcus Garvey and what was his main message? Marcus Garvey organized the United States' first black nationalist movement. In the years following World War I, he urged black Americans to be proud of their identity. Garvey enjoyed a period of profound black cultural and economic success. One God, One Name, One Destiny.